Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular. No, it's not the regular Sudoku. It's an puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on a Saturday, February the 27th, 2021. Yes, the third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 1, yes, and this one will be number 2, 3, 9, 3. All right, 2, 3, 9, 3. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. All right, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright, between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright, and then we need to think. Yeah, we need to think. 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Then let me see. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Alright, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, we have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright, double one here, no, there, no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s in the last column, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright. Great. Binary, I like this one without any comparing with rows or columns. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle of today. Yes, 8 tectonic with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.